A lot of people are asking about affiliate marketing training and what's the best programs out there. Hey, Josh here, and in this video I want to share with you and give a review of a program that I'm very familiar with. Okay, so in this video, let's review a program called Top Earner Transformation. Now, this is a program I'm very familiar with. I know the individual that created the program as well. And I found that this is interesting because it's the fact that before you get into trying to make money online or get into business or start your own business, you got to lay the foundation. You got to deal with the things that's maybe not been dealt with in your life, you've been trying to deal with, you're struggling to deal with. And that would be this. The number one thing, of course, is mindset. You got to have the right mindset. And this program has a module of training in it that deals with the mindset, short-term versus long-term thinking, thinking in yourself in the right way and dealing with the things of your past and getting all those things settled, with people around you and different things like that, and just breaking out of that shell or that mold that would try to hold you back. Because the next step is to create a vision. Now, before you can ever create a vision, you got to deal with all that stuff, because your vision will always be cloudy if you're dealing with mindset issues from the past or limiting thoughts of yourself or things that people have said about you that you believe, and anything negative in your life will cause you to struggle creating that vision. Because once you come to the place where you create that vision, after you've dealt with the mindset or you're working on the mindset, well, the vision is so important. The vision is what will keep you going as you're learning, going through the program, understanding marketing, how business works, making money online, how to pick products, how to create, decide which niche to go into. All these different aspects, the vision will keep you going and driving to continue to learn as you go forward. Now, when you create your vision, you want to create the things that you want, whether it's for your family or it's for your own life, it's the things you desire, places you want to be. If you're in a so-called, what you maybe call literal hell right now, and you're trying to get this heaven, whether it's financially or just having more time and getting out of a dead-end job, or maybe a job that doesn't exist anymore because of the instability in the economy and the things we've been facing, whatever it may be, you've got to create that vision. And I would also encourage you to do this. Once you create that vision, I'm just giving you some little tips from the program, but once you create that vision, I would create that vision, put it on a poster board with those pictures of those things on there you want. If your family is, of course, would be in the center of that, and then the things around, if you want a better home for your family, better vehicles, whatever the case may be, trip, you want to be able to take a vacation with your family. Put that on a board so every morning when you get up, you see that when you start your day, so it reminds you, this is what I'm fighting for. This is what I'm working for. This is what I'm learning about. This is why I'm going into this new area of a business I've never done before, because I want more time with my family. I want to be able to spend more time with them. I want to be able to have more money to do things with them and for them, for that matter, as well as these other things I desire, these material things I'd like to have, or be able to take vacations and things of that nature. Create that vision board, because that is so critically important to keep you moving forward and driving forward as you're learning this program. Another great aspect of this program is the fact that the creator teaches you how to discover what niche you want to be in, how to pick those, not just products, but what category you want to major in or you want to focus on. Now, there are three main areas that are most important: health, wealth, and relationships are the most popular. But what I love about this program is, if you want to promote the product, this program for itself, for what it is, you're able to do that. But the creator of this program has so much expertise and so much experience in different areas that they teach you how to market anything, not just their product, but how to market anything in affiliate marketing, how to make money online. That's the great blessing about it, if you want to say that, because most people just want to focus on their own product. But with this program, you have the option to learn how to do it, period. So if one day, whether you promote his product or you don't, and he will tell you that firsthand, whether you promote that product or you don't, either way, you're still learning how affiliate marketing works, and you can go out and create your own products or do affiliate for other products as well and build a business off of that. But there's so much information in these modules that you learn from us: how to create your own products. Also, if you want to do that, how to decide what niche, how to pick the right products, how to go through that procedure. This is invaluable information that will highly help you if you're thinking about starting up a business or getting into affiliate marketing, or maybe you're already in affiliate marketing and maybe it's just not going so well and you need something to just give you a boost or a kick, or maybe you just need to know how to. I would encourage you to check out this program. Now, here's another area that is so critically important in learning affiliate marketing and online business: the platforms you promote on, how to master that traffic, how to get organic traffic, also how to get into paid ads as you progress and you get advanced into the program. You can understand that even more. But in the beginning, how to create organic traffic. In other words, free traffic. Whether it's on YouTube, it's on Facebook, it's on TikTok, it's on Instagram. All these different things are taught throughout this program and how to do this. And so that's what I love about the variety that is there. Now I would encourage you with this, you only want to focus on one platform and master that before you go after another, and you'll just stretch yourself too thin. But understanding how these different platforms work and algorithms and how to create your Facebook profile, your cover photo, all the little details you need on there to draw people to where your Facebook profile can literally become a money-making machine for you with you doing very little work, of course, because you'll see in this program, and I'll get into a little bit later, about understanding sales funnels and how that affiliate link from that product, when people click on that, will take them into that sales funnel and take them through that process where if they buy the product, of course, you make commissions off of that. So probably most programs, you go through the program and then they say, okay, you've learned the training, you know how to do it, now go out there and do it. And you're kind of on your own, right? Not in this case, because there are literally swipe files in the program you can access when you get into the program. You can access those swipe files and they're posts of value, engagement posts, call to action posts, understanding how to write posts, how to create content, emails going out to understand all this stuff to get you started, to understand how all this works so you can build on that and just, of course, make it your own product as you go along as far as with the files and different things. But this is where you can start using this creator's product and posts as well that they've already created, over 100 and some posts already on it, that you can put on your page just to start building momentum on your page or on your profile. And understanding this, as you grow, of course, you can start doing your own, and that's what's encouraged. But starting out, they're trying to do everything they can to help you be successful in this business. So once again, those swipe files, those posts, those emails that are already written for you, done for you. Remember, 90% of the work of this program is done for you. So now maybe you say, Josh, that sounds great, but here's the thing about it. What about the tech side? Because I got to learn this tech, I got to learn that tech. And of course, as I said before, 90% of the work is done for you. That leaves 10% for us to have to do, and maybe even a little more for that matter as we get better in it and we want to learn it more. But the tech side, check this out. When you get into this program, you join this program, the tech side, this creator has a team of tech people that works for him. And basically, they will create the funnel for you to help you get on your feet, your sales funnel. Now, what is a sales funnel? Well, to briefly sum this up, when you get into this program or any other program, you get an affiliate link. And that link is what people will click on, and then that will take them into a website or a sales funnel or another means. But in this situation, when you click on that link, it goes into the sales funnel, which was created by the individual, of course, of this course. And their tech team will set that up for you. Guys, that's crazy insane that somebody would be willing to do that. But that's how much this individual wants to see you succeed with this program, not just for himself, but for you most of all. Because here's the thing, if it's not a good program, nobody else is going to buy it, and word of mouth will travel, and it's not going to be good. And guys, I can assure you, there's a lot of them out there that are bigger name people that are selling products out there. The people are just buying it once, and then they're not happy. The product's not good. It's not a good circumstance or situation. It's not working out for them. But this individual will do everything they can to try to help you. In fact, they are available within a reasonable time to be able to access them and ask questions, get the help you need, get the encouragement you need. As the business continues to grow, I know that's getting a little harder, but that's the heart of this individual. They just want to see you succeed. So listen, here's the thing. These funnels are done for you. So they'll help you set it up. And once you get it set up, if you have issue, there's tech support. There's all these things. Every aspect of this program is covered to make sure you succeed in online business and affiliate marketing. I hope this review of this program has been good, has helped you out, given you inside information, understanding. If you're curious about it, in the description below, there's a link. You can click on that, find out more about it. But I would highly recommend this program if you're wanting to start in affiliate marketing, because like I said, for someone to be accessible to help you with questions, also to do live streams with you, Facebook live streams with you weekly, answer any questions, review your work. Guys, I don't know of hardly any other programs that do this on a regular basis like this program does. So guys, thank you so much for checking out this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. We have other videos on this channel as well to answer all kinds of questions about affiliate marketing, as well as dealing with mindset. Hit that notification bell. You'll be notified when we put out new content. Share this video if you would. Comment below whether you liked it or you didn't. Give us a like or a dislike. Either way, we just want, if you have any questions, feel free to let us know what they are and we will get back with you on it. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video.